First, go to promptauto.io and search for birthday cake workflow. Open the chatbot link, then paste it into the search box to launch the chatbot. Once you are inside the chatbot, click the Start command. The chatbot will automatically give you a list of topics to choose from. You can simply select a topic by number, or type in your own idea if you already know what kind of cake you want to create. After you choose a topic, the chatbot will generate an image prompt for the video. Copy that prompt, go to VO3, switch to the image generation feature, select the Nano Banana Pro model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and click Generate. Once the images are ready, choose the one you like best, then copy it or save it to your device. Next, go back to the birthday cake workflow chatbot, upload that image, and send it. The chatbot will analyze the image and automatically generate 2 connected video prompts for you. Copy video prompt number 1. Go back to VO3, switch the model to Omni Flash, and choose the video from components option. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Drag the image you just created into the reference image section and click Generate. When video number 1 is finished, move to the final frame and save that frame as an image. This is the key step that helps video number 2 continue naturally from video number 1. Now go back to the birthday cake workflow chatbot and copy video prompt number 2. Paste it into VO3, change the duration to 6 seconds, then use the final frame from the first video as the reference image. Click Generate. Once the second video is finished, download both videos, edit them together, and add music, effects, or text if needed. Now you have a complete cake design video ready to post on Reels. You can repeat this exact workflow to create many different videos and build a page from zero without having to come up with new topics, write prompts yourself, or spend time planning every scene manually.